In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit listing on Airbnb 2026, step by step. Let's get you confidently updating your place. Start by opening Airbnb in your browser or launching the Airbnb app and sign into your host account. From the home screen, open the menu and choose Listings. You'll see all the places you host. Select the listing you want to edit so you're working on the right property. From here, you'll update details section by section. Each area has its own edit button, so choose the part you want to change, click edit, make your updates carefully, and then click save. If you have multiple areas to revise, repeat the same flow for each one. When adjusting your title, keep it short, clear, and specific. Highlight a standout feature, like a great view or walkable location, and avoid all caps or clutter. The goal is to set the right expectation at a glance. In the description, lead with what guests will love most, then cover layout, sleeping arrangements, the neighborhood, and any must-know details. Be honest and concise. Plain language helps guests imagine their stay and reduces pre-booking questions. For photos, choose bright, high-resolution images that reflect the true space. Put your best shot first, show each room from multiple angles, and add captions to explain what guests are seeing. Good visuals significantly impact search performance and bookings. Under amenities, select only what you actually provide. Accuracy matters for guest satisfaction, so include essentials and safety items you know are available. If something changes seasonally, make that clear in the description rather than overpromising in amenities. In pricing, review your nightly rate and any fees or discounts. Consider local demand, seasonality, and comparable listings. Small, thoughtful adjustments are better than frequent drastic changes, which can confuse returning guests. Availability lets you manage open dates and minimum nights. Keep your calendar current so guests can book with confidence. If you block dates, make sure that aligns with your hosting schedule. House rules should be specific and easy to follow. Cover things like smoking, pets, parties, quiet hours, and any building guidelines. Clear rules help set expectations and protect your space. Finally, check-in instructions should guide guests from arrival to opening the door. Keep directions simple and accurate, and avoid including sensitive information directly in public areas of the listing. After each edit, remember to click Save. Give the listing a quick once-over to confirm everything looks right. Some updates may take a moment to reflect. That's it. Select a section, edit, and save. You can revisit these steps anytime your space or strategy evolves.